Okay, this is going to be short and sweet. How to replace the latch on a console for a 2013 Silverado. Pretty sure the years up through that, maybe 2007 up, are similar, if not the same. Pretty easy. This center console, it's got 4 screws. Take those out. They're a T20 Torx. I don't know if you can see that or not. So get those 4 out, and then you'll have to pull the top. I pulled here, started leveraging at the top right here, got one side to pop, then the other side to pop, then worked it down. There are multiple pop ends. You see these guys all through here? Those just pop in. So just work it down. It's pretty flimsy, so I was afraid I was going to crack it. I just worked it down, and they just kept popping out as I worked it down. And of course, the latch itself is that guy right there. Just 2 Phillips head screws, and got the replacement right here. I'm gonna go in right there, and then we'll be back in business. Pretty simple. And then of course just pop that back in after you replace your latch, and then put your 4 screws in. No big deal. Hope this helps.